Hey, looks like it finally stopped raining.
Caillou was happy it had stopped raining. He wanted to go and play.
Come on, Rosie. Let's see if the waves can catch us. Here it comes. Run! Oh, Shell, pretty. Yeah, let's show Mommy and Daddy.
Even our towels are all wet. This isn't the fun time we were hoping for, is it?
Well... Oh, my hat!
Caillou was having fun on the beach, but it didn't look like Mommy and Daddy were having any fun at all.
Maybe we should make it an early day and head home soon.
Caillou didn't want to go home yet. He wanted to show Mommy and Daddy how much fun a day at the beach could be, even a rainy day.
Look what we found.
Say, that's a pretty nice clamshell.
Let's go find more.
Well, okay, just for a little while.
I don't know why we were worried about the rain. We came to the beach to get wet anyway.
Big wave!
Oh, no! Kids, my feet are gone. Where did they go? I know I had my feet at the picnic table. Do you think I left them in my sandals?
No, they're under the sand.
Oh, phew! We found them. I'm so glad.
Look, Mommy! We found Daddy's feet.
Oh, Caillou! Now what shall we do?
They knew exactly what they wanted to do.
All done. Do you like it, Daddy?
I do. It's a terrific sandcastle.
Let's get a picture. Say cheese! Oh my, I think the rain is coming back.
This time, it really is time to go.
Caillou on Family Junior.